In this video, we are going to track the contact form submission with the help of event listener code. We have multiple ways to track the contact form submission, like we can track this submit button and we can redirect this form to any another page, like any thank you page, and we can also track this message by display element. So we have multiple ways to track the contact form 7, but for this video we are going to use the custom event listener code to track this form. So let's see how it is work. First of all, make sure your Google Tag Manager account is already set up and you connected your Google Analytics account with Google Tag Manager account. If it is done, now let's move forward to this video. So now if I click to the preview button and if I submit this form, you can see there is no activity, there is no event. So Google Analytics 4 does not track this event automatically. We need to define some custom HTML, some custom event. So that's how we can track this form submission. So now go back to the Google Tag Manager account and click on this new button and select custom HTML tag and copy this code snippet. Copy this custom snippet code I've added on the description, so you can visit on this link and copy this custom event code. Now select all pages, name this tags Now again click on the preview button and now you can see this tag CF submission. So now we need to create the custom event. Now go back to the Google Tag Manager again and click on the new button and select Google Analytics 4 event. Select GA4 ID and enter the event name, generate lead, and now select the triggering condition. Click the plus button and select custom event and copy the exact same name, CF4 submission. Click on save. Now click on save and submit. Now again click on the preview button. And now if I submit this contact form, let's see, 1 second. You can see that our tag is firing successfully. So that's how we can track the contact form submission. Now let's see on the Google Analytics. Click on the real time. And here you can see the event name, generate lead. And here you can find the additional parameters. So that's how we can track the contact form submission. So that's how we can track the contact form submission by using the event listener code. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can comment down below and I will make more videos regarding the Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next one.